Hey, Walter here, and I've recently run a little experiment. I wanted to see if I could start a drop shipping store from scratch and make 45K in 45 days. Turns out, you can make 100K. That's what I want to talk about, how I hit 100K in just 45 days. There's no magic or voodoo to it, no Don Drapers or expensive advertising bureaus. All I did was make use of one super streamlined method that I came to after sitting at the drawing board and brainstorming for a long while. And now you're getting the goods without having to go through any blood, sweat, and or tears. If you're trying to start an online store, or if you already have one and feel stuck, this video is going to do wonders for you. So stick around to the end because I'll show you how you can also make 100K in no time, and heck, maybe even go beyond 100K. Let's start with how I figured out my approach. You probably already know how people usually go about dropshipping. You get a website builder, spend hours picking a theme, writing product descriptions, figuring out shipping, uploading product videos, finding suppliers, editing pages, doing all the designs by yourself. Just saying it all loud's got me thinking about what a drag it all is. Spending weeks setting all that up only to find out later whether it works or not, it's just a lot of work for not knowing whether you're going to get results or not. So instead of going the usual route, I decided to look for a turnkey solution. Something that's pre-built, ready to sell, and comes with everything already in place. There are a few of those out there, but as far as I'm concerned, Sellvia is by far the most complete option. A store from Sellvia comes already filled with high converting products, pro-level product pages, descriptions, images, upsells, literally the stuff you'd pay a copywriter and designer to do. If you're curious about Sellvia, I actually have another video where I go through the platform in more detail. But for now, let's get back to the process. Once I had my store, I was ready to start making sales. And here's where I messed up a bit. But hey, you live and you learn. My first instinct was to run paid ads. So I tried launching them myself through Facebook ads, Instagram, and all that kind of stuff, you know? And only then did I realize that things were going too slow and that I couldn't complete my challenge in time. Everyone online makes it look like you just put in $5 and you get $50 back, but that's not really realistic. You might very well spend hours setting up campaigns. You're gonna burn through money reaching demographics that don't result in customers. You're gonna question every result because it's hard to figure out what the deal is. Like, is it the product? Are you targeting the wrong demographic? Is it your actual ad material that's not up to snuff? Or is it just plain bad luck? When starting out, paid ads can be a huge risk and a major headache. I mean, it's all worth figuring out just to grow your skill set, but it's more of a thing when you're thinking about the long haul. When your goal is to make money fast, though, it's not exactly the best option. I realized that I wanted a new approach, so I went back to the drawing board. I was researching and drawing up my plan of attack, watching e-commerce videos on YouTube and all that kind of stuff. The hot word right now is free traffic through stuff like social media, TikTok Reels, Shorts, and all that stuff. The advantage there is you don't need a budget. You just need content that attracts impulse buyers. At first I thought that would be my ticket, but then I realized that it has similar issues, the kind of same issues as with paid ads. It's just that same whole rigmarole of creating your own ad material and testing demographics and just would have taken too much time to meet the goals of my challenge. I decided to dig through and see what ideas Sellvia has to offer in the Learn section on the Sellvia dashboard. And I found some videos on dropshipping on TikTok and Instagram that really set some light bulbs off in my head. I'll leave the links below to everything if you're interested. Point is, turns out Sellvia's TikTok and Instagram store comes with a full content pack, ready to post videos, captions, thumbnails, everything. All professionally made, all tied together visually, so you can get an entire brand at the click of a button. I uploaded the content to my store, then scheduled it to post every day at 9:15 a.m. I started getting orders in from the very jump. I wasn't spending a dime on ads yet. I was exclusively using free traffic. Once I had that steady flow coming in, I went back to paid ads, but this time I wasn't doing it by myself. I used Sellvia Ads. It's basically a fire and forget tool. All I had to do was click one button and I got a whole array of stuff on autopilot. We're talking ready-made, high-converting ad creatives, audience targeting based on real performance data, and campaign setup and management, real-time reports on my dashboard so I could see exactly what was happening. There was no guesswork, no frustration, just ads that worked. This combo, free daily content plus managed ads, is what helped me scale fast. That's how I went from 0 to 100K in 45 days. No tech skills, no big budget, no headaches. Just the right tools for the right job. If you're completely starting out, this is a good shout. And if you've already got a store but it's not performing, then these might be the right tools for you. You can actually start your own store for free using Sellvia, or you could grab the tools I used if you already have a store with them. And if this helped you even a little, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more case studies, tips, and honest advice coming your way. Catch you on the next video.